class. Welcome back to your VPSC learning class beta. As you all know that yesterday I have taken the revision test of your lesson 14 English language beta. Today I am going to take the revision of your lesson 7 haircut of workbook beta. So in this I have prepared one revision test paper for you. So what you all have to do, you all have to first read the questions properly, then write down the answers beta. Okay, and question paper is very easy. First you read it carefully, then according to your, you have to write down the answers. Write the answers with blue pen only. Okay beta, and you have to exercises are related to your present continuous and general present, and some are related to missing syllables. This type of exercises are there, so you have to write down the answers only. One exercise is based on your vowels also. Okay beta, so you have to write down the answer and send it to me into your WhatsApp group beta. Okay, uh, write it neatly, nicely, clearly. Okay, and send it to me. So let's start with the revision test beta. Okay class, as you all know that yesterday I have told you that I can take the revision test of lesson 7 workbook haircut beta. So today I am going to take the revision of lesson 7 haircut of workbook. So mention today's date, that is 29/12/20. Right side classwork beta. Question number 1 is given like this. Write sentences in the present continuous and general present tense. So first one is given like this. I went to school yesterday. This sentence is given in a past form because went is the past form of, you all know, na? So you have to write the sentence into present continuous here. So some of the words are given and rest of the words you have to write in this blank beta. Next is I go, next is dash. So you have to fill this sentence in simple present here according to this statement. I went to school yesterday beta. Okay, come to the second one. I did my work carefully. This sentence is given. Again you have to change into the present continuous and simple general present beta. Okay, so you can change and write in this blank only. Okay bacha, come to the next question is add the missing syllable to each of these. Means syllable I have demonstrated in the earlier classes also, that it is using vowels in the words na. So half part is given and half part you have to add missing syllables. Okay, so can is given, dash you have to write the rest of the part of the word. Next is some, dash, C is copper, dash, and D is hot, dash. Come to the next question number third. Question number third is the vowels A, E, I, O, U. As you all know that vowels are of 5. A, E, I, O, U are missing from these words. Can you put them in? Means blanks are given. You have to write down here the vowels beta. So the first word is written like this. The vowels A, E, I, O, U are missing from these words. Can you put them in? First is A, H dash R T. You have to mention the vowel here according to the requirement beta. Come to the next, it is F dash N D. You have to put vowel here. Next is C. It is R dash M dash V dash. Next is F dash LL. Okay, you have to fill it properly beta. Come to the next question. Question number 4. Write answers for these statements. Means I have eaten 24 mangoes. You have to change according to you out to. And you have to write the rest of the part of the sentence beta. Come to the next. Geeta's baby is crying. She dash. You have to use out to and write the sentence beta. Out to, I have told you, it is must. Na? Out to means must. Okay. So you have to complete it like this. Again I am repeating the question, so check it again and listen it carefully. First question is given like this: write sentences in the present continuous and general present. I went to school yesterday. This sentence given into the past form, you have to change into the present continuous and general present beta. Okay. Come to the next question. I did my work carefully. You have to change it into the present continuous and general present beta. Come to the next. Add the missing syllable to each of these. Can, you have to write down the half of the missing syllable. So can dash, some dash, copper dash, hot dash. Come to the next question. Question number 3 is given like this: the vowels A, E, I, O, U are missing from these words. Can you put them in? So A is H dash RT, B is F dash ND, C is R dash M dash V dash. Okay, you have to fill the vowels. Next is D, F dash LL. Now question number 4 is write answers for these statements. Means first statement is given, you have to change according to adding you out to. Now in the next, okay, first is given, I have eaten 24 mangoes, you out to dash. Next is Geeta's baby is crying, she dash. Okay, you have to change it like this. Please beta write in a neat and clean handwriting, use blue and black pen, and write the questions with black pen and answers with blue pen beta. Okay, and if it is not needed, you can don't write the questions, only write the answers beta. Okay, complete it and give it to me into your WhatsApp group beta. Thank you.